What's up, everyone? I'm Sarah, and welcome to Tech Tips. We've been spending a lot of time here in the lab exploring our new Samsung Galaxy Note10 Plus. And if you checked out our video on how to set it up, then you're ready to go deeper and learn how to use the S Pen. Today, I'll show you how easy and fun it can be. So let's dive right in and take a look at what it can do. All you'll need is your Galaxy Note10 Plus and the included S Pen. The S Pen is located on the bottom of the phone on the right side. To eject it, just press on it, then pull it out. The first time you do, a tutorial will play. And while it's a pretty useful tutorial in its own right, it's not delivered by a charming, insightful, and fun-loving expert like yours truly. The S Pen does all the basic things you want and need in a stylus pen. You can draw, you can navigate with it, you can write notes. But where the S Pen really shines is with air actions. By clicking the button on the S Pen and moving it through the air to perform different gestures, you can use it to control apps and other functions. It's pretty much a magic wand. Take the camera, for example. From any screen, just press and hold down the button on the S Pen to open the camera app. Then, press the button once to snap a picture. Press it twice to switch from front to rear camera. Repeat to switch back. For the zoom gesture, push the button, then draw a clockwise circle and release it. To zoom out, press it and draw a counterclockwise circle. Then, if you go into the gallery, you can use air actions to navigate through your photos and videos. Select a photo, then press once to advance to the next item. Twice to advance to the previous item. Press and swipe up or down to view the details. And in the media player, you can also use the S Pen to control your music. Press once to play. Press and swipe up to turn the volume up. Press and swipe down to turn it down. Kind of like conducting a symphony, isn't it? One easy shortcut to get to a list of other S Pen compatible apps is to tap the circle icon on the edge of the screen. I'm going to show you one more fun S Pen app. It's called AR Doodle, and it lets you draw on videos that you record. To use it, just frame up your subject, press record, and draw into the recognition area on the screen. When you're done, the drawing will move with the camera motion, creating a cool AR effect. See? The S Pen really is a magic wand. Well, that's just a few tips on how to control the Galaxy with the S Pen. Control the Galaxy. I like the sound of that, don't you? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and help from Best Buy.